Hello, welcome to our channel Daily Updates, and today I am here with 10 most important questions which I have taken out from mock test. It will be very much helpful for CAT aspirants and aspirants preparing for CDS, NDA and FCAT. These questions are having much concepts and can be used for other questions also. So let's move forward, and as you can see daily I'll be covering 10 questions, so it's going to be very much important. Let's see how much we can go ahead with this. So our first question I'll put forward in front of you. It will be a picture which I have taken from my tab. So this is the question. Okay, so I'll be providing you the link also and the question details, so don't worry. I'll provide this thing in the comment section or in the description. So this is the first question, as you can see here. So I'll just keep it over here. Sorry, I'll just keep it here, and once a minute. So this will be much more easy for you. So the first question is, find the value of if the term is given and we need to find the value, and the options are here. So as you can see, the option here is 5000 and the correct answer, but I'll show you how these things are done and इसको कैसे आसानी से किया जा सकता है, some small tricks and all. So I'll keep the question aside now, or I'll keep it here for a few moments and show you how it is done. Okay, so I'll just zoom it a little bit. Okay, moving forward. Come on. So the equation is 1 plus a square minus b square a minus b plus a cube minus b cube a minus b, and it has gone till 9 minus b 9 minus a minus b. So here you need to figure out the pattern. It is very much important. So what you can see here, this term and this term. Okay, so it's just like a pair. 1 plus, we call it even, plus we call it odd, and this pattern will go on till this last term. Okay, so let me remove this one as my screen is getting a little bit shortened. So I'll remove this, but I'll provide the questions. Okay, so let's move ahead and see how this thing can be solved. Fine. So it was also mentioned in the question that a and b are roots of x square minus 1, x square equal to 1. Okay, so how we can go, let's see. Let's do. Question is x square equals to 1, so x can either be plus minus 1. Okay, and it was given a is greater than b, so we'll assign a equals to 1 and b equals to minus 1. Right, so as I have shown you this thing, here it is a square minus b square by a minus b and a cube minus b cube a minus b. Okay, so putting in this first, it will be 1 का whole square minus 1 का whole square 1 minus 1. ठीक है, सो इसको आप करोगे तो 1 माइनस 1 का होल स्क्वायर 1 होगा, 1 और ये हो गया -1. ठीक है, सो 1 का 1 और 1 का 1 इधर, और ये यहाँ पे हो जाएगा -1 है, यहाँ पे 1 हम लोगों ने के लिया था, सॉरी b है ना, ये 1 + 1. सो आप इसे करोगे तो ये 0 हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. ठीक है, सो एक चीज़ पता चल गया कि इवेंट टर्म्स जो भी हैं उनके लिए वैल्यू हमारे 0 आएंगे. ठीक है, अभी ऑड टर्म लो, a क्यूब माइनस a माइनस b. ओके, तो 1 क्यूब माइनस 1 का क्यूब 1 माइनस 1. ठीक है, तो 1 का क्यूब हो गया 1 माइनस 1 एंड 1 माइनस 1. ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या हो सकता है, 1 + 1 1 + 1. ठीक है, सो ये हो गया 2/2 = 1. ठीक है, सो अभी हम लोगों को क्या पता चल गया कि इवेंट टर्म जो है हमारा, इवेंट के लिए 0, ऑड के लिए 1. ठीक है। सो जो टर्म्स दिए हुए थे, वट एवर द टर्म्स वॉज देयर, आई शो यू वंस अगेन, दिस वॉज द टर्म, ठीक है। सो अभी क्या होगा यहाँ पे कि एज यू कैन सी कि फर्स्ट प्लस इवन प्लस ऑड प्लस इवन प्लस ऑड, ये गया हुआ है आपका 99999 तक, ठीक है। सो एक इवन एक ऑड, एक इवन एक ऑड, दो टू का अगर टू का फॉर्मेशन लेके चलेंगे तो यहाँ पे आ गए 4999 टर्म्स, ठीक है। सो 499 टर्म्स हो गए हमारे इसके ऑड के, 499 टर्म्स हमारे हो गए इवन के। तो इवन वाले हो गए 0 और ऑड वाले हो गए 1, ठीक है। सो 1 प्लस 4999 इक्वल्स टू 5000, ओके। सो बेसिक कंसेप्ट इस क्वेश्चन में ये था कि यू एनालाइज, you need to see what is the this one pattern. You need to observe the pattern and just put the values there. You must be knowing how to take out the roots. It was mentioned x y equals to 1, तो it was easy that x equals to either 1 or -1, ठीक है। सो बट आप लोगों को बड़े इक्वेशंस के लिए रूट्स निकालने होंगे, पुट करना होगा। दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर जनरली ईजी, जस्ट नीड टू विजुअलाइज द थिंग and just see that a is greater than b. The condition is very much important, what all it is there or not, okay, fine. So now next questions will come here. This is the next question. See, sorry, my setup is a little bit not that much comfortable. I have started this thing just 2 days back, so मैं ज़्यादातर आपको कोशिश करूँगा you can witness the good आउटपुट फ्रॉम माई एंड। सो ठीक है, क्वेश्चंस मैं आपको दे दूंगा, डोंट वरी फॉर दैट, बट आई विल रिसाइट दिस थिंग फॉर यू, सी, ओके। सो क्वेश्चन है, अ ग्रुप ऑफ 52 पर्सन ओन हाउसेज इन मोर देन 1 सिटीज़, ओके। सिटीज़ हैं पुणे, नासिक, औरंगाबाद। वन ऑफ देम 24 पर्सन ओन हाउसेज इन पुणे एंड एन इक्वल नंबर ऑफ हाउसेज इन नासिक, ठीक है। सो आपको मेंशन है 24 पुणे में, 24 नासिक में, ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन। 35 आपका औरंगाबाद में, ठीक है। एंड नो पर्सन ओन्स मोर देन 1 हाउस इन एनी सिटी, ठीक है। एक सिटी में 2 घर वो लोग नहीं लिया हुआ है कोई भी पर्सन, ठीक है। एंड 13 है एग्जैक्टली 2, ठीक है। तो वी नीड टू फाइंड एग्जैक्टली 3, ठीक है। सो ये बेसिक क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है आपको, एंड आई होप यू गाइज नो अबाउट द वेन डायग्राम। वेन डायग्राम से ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ईजिली बन जाएंगे, जस्ट नीड टू फिगर आउट हाउ टू मेक द इक्वेशन, ओके। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड आई जस्ट टेल यू द कंसेप्ट, यू जस्ट गो एंड आई विल टेल यू द इक्वेशंस, जस्ट गो एंड ट्राई एंड गेट आउट द रिजल्ट, आई विल टेल यू द रिजल्ट्स, ओके। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. So this was our data what was given, and now I will start with that thing. So first of all you need to make a Venn diagram. As you can see there are 3 variables, so I'll make a Venn diagram like this, ठीक है। So इसको मैं पुणे दे देता हूँ, this one is Nasik, this one is Aurangabad, this one is 35, this is 24 and again 24, ठीक है। अभी क्या है कि this part, as you can see this part is just पुणे, जो आदमी ओनली इन पुणे में है इट इज़ फॉर दिस, ओनली इन नासिक दिस, एंड ओनली इन औरंगाबाद दिस, ठीक है। दिस पार्ट इज़ फॉर द पर्सन हु हैज़ ओन इन 3 cities, okay. These parts are for them who are having houses in the 2 cities, okay. So I'll rub this and make a fresh one for you. Let's see how it goes. Nasik and Aurangabad, 24, 24 and 35, okay. So I'll just name it, I'll put it A, B, C, X, Y, Z, and just name it any variable A, ठीक है. So I'll just write the equation for you. I'll rub this now. Okay. So as you can see, according to the data it was given कि 24 हमारे उसमें है पी में है पुणे में है, 24 नासिक में एंड 35 वॉज इन औरंगाबाद. सो व्हाट वी विल डू हियर, विल टेक ए प्लस बी प्लस सी. ठीक है, जो ओनली सिंगल है, सिंगल हाउसेज है, प्लस एक्स प्लस वाई प्लस जेड, ये हो गए डबल वाले, एंड सॉरी इसको डबल कर देते हैं, एंड ए हो गए ट्रिपल वाले. सो सभी को मिला के यहाँ पे इक्वेशन हमारे 52 है. वी वर गिवन दैट टोटल ऑफ 52 पर्सन आर देयर. ठीक है, अभी बराबर है. और नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन क्या होगा, अभी एक तो ये इक्वेशन हो गया. अभी इससे क्या फिगर आउट कर सकते हैं, एक्स प्लस वाई प्लस जेड वो डबल वाले थे, डबल वाले का वैल्यू हमें दिया हुआ है 13. सो 13 यहाँ से निकाल के इस तरफ राइट हैंड साइड में लेकर जाएंगे तो इक्वेशन बचेगा ए प्लस बी प्लस सी प्लस ए इक्वल्स टू 52 माइनस 13, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 38. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन व्हाट वी कैन से हियर इज ए प्लस एक्स प्लस वाई प्लस ए. ठीक है, इट्स फॉर पुणे. अगेन विल डू फॉर नासिक है. नासिक का जो सर्किल है दिस वन, इसमें है बी प्लस एक्स प्लस ए प्लस जेड. उसके बाद हमारा औरंगाबाद है, औरंगाबाद में भी सेम विल टेक ऑल सी प्लस वाई प्लस ए प्लस जेड. अभी इस सभी को मिला के विल बी हैविंग 24 प्लस 24 प्लस 35. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा होगा ए यहाँ पे है, एंड यहाँ पे दो बारी एक बार ए आया है और एक्स है एंड वाई है. एक्स से आपको 2 बार आ गया है, वाई आपको 2 बार होगा, ए 3 बार रहेगा एंड जेड भी 2 बार रहेगा, ईच वेरिएबल्स 2 बार. सो you are having the values here, just figure out this thing and you will be getting the answer. Okay, so यहाँ पे 9 plus 4 13 और यहाँ पे इक्वेशन आपको हो जाएगा when we solve this, so you will be getting equation which will derive the result or which will bring out the result for you. So यहाँ पे मैं आपको इक्वेशन सॉल्व करके नहीं दिखाऊंगा. I just told you the concept here, how it can be done. So it's very much easy. First of all what you need to do, कि आपको जो वैल्यूज़ दिए हुए वट एवर वैल्यूज़ आपको मिले हैं, सो यू नीड टू फिगर आउट हाउ टू टेक द बेस्ट हेल्प फ्रॉम दैट, what all things are there. So in Venn diagram basic thing is take out the help from the values whichever it is given, otherwise it will be very much hard to figure out the ultimate result. Okay, so this was the basic concept of Venn diagram. It's very much easy. When we'll go for the 4 variable Venn diagram, then it becomes a little bit hard. I'll tell you this thing in the next video. It is just complete one video will be there for that, and it's going to be very much interesting, and many questions can be solved from that thing. Okay, so moving forward with our next question. These questions just have a concept, just this video is just for building your concepts. So we'll move forward with our next question. I'll put that in front of your screen. So this is the next question. Okay, I'll just wait for 2 minutes that you can read this properly. See. Okay, so don't worry guys, I'm going to make my setup a little bit good now, that there will be no inconvenience for you, but for meanwhile just cope up with me or just help me out in this situation, and let's see how I can do further things for you. So we'll solve this question. I'll make the diagram. You just read this thing, I'll make the diagram and show how it can be done very easily. Okay, and there are many concepts here which I'll be telling you. Okay, let's move forward and see. I'll just keep it here for meanwhile and draw the diagram and tell you the concept. Okay, come. So we are having a circle here, right? And sorry, ठीक है, एक सर्कल है, एक हमारा यहाँ पे एक tangent है, this is a tangent, and there is one triangle here. ठीक है, ये T है, ये B है and this is angle bisector B A P. ठीक है. So first of all it is given that in the given figure the length PT, P से T, this is they have given 6 centimeter and TM is the angle bisector. This one is the angle bisector. Okay, and angle BTA is the angle bisector of BTA. इसका ये angle bisector. If PB equals to 12 centimeter, PB full length it is 12 centimeter. Find the length of AM. We need to figure out this one. Okay, so इसमें दो concepts हैं. In this two concepts are very much important and these are generally used when the questions of circle are coming. And I'll remove this one for meanwhile and we'll show how it is done. Okay, so let's see. So I hope you guys are aware from the terms tangents, secant, angle bisector and the formulas and all. If not, let's see how much I can cover for you. First of all, you can see, just a moment, I'll name this angles. It will become good. I'll keep it Z. I'll keep 2 as X and X. As I mentioned, it is angle bisector, so I am keeping it as X and X. Okay, so I'll just remove this now. I already mentioned it's an angle bisector and it's consuming the space, so I'll keep it Z. Fine. So as you know the property of exterior angle, exterior angle Z equals to X plus sorry, just a moment. Okay, I must place it with this. I'll take it as A. Okay, so I can write A equals to Z plus X. One thing will be this. Okay, and fine. This one came from the exterior angle property. Okay, and one more property is there. This one assume it as B. So this property comes from this tangent secant. Okay, this one is sorry, I missed here something. And this one angle okay, this one. Okay, yeah, I just misplaced it with a letter here. I got confused. Sorry for the inconvenience. Place it as B. So what I was going to tell you, this angle. Okay, so this is a tangent. Okay, so the tangent is coming at a point P on the circle. Fine. So this is making an angle of beta B. Okay, with this line. So this angle will be equal to the Z. Will be equal to that. It is just in a same or in the same arc, whatever angle is coming the opposite, it will be same. It's a theorem. So angle B will equal to Z. Okay, so what you can write now, यहाँ पे A equals to, now B is there, Z equals to B, it will place B plus X. Okay, so A equals to B plus X. Okay, so you already know that in a, I'll remove this one. I hope you understood this one, how B become equals to Z. It's the property of triangle. When a tangent is there making an angle with a line, it will be equal to the angle opposite in the same arc. Okay, it's very much important. Just make a note of this. And one more thing, so the equation became A equals to B plus X. Right, so this angle became equal to this one. So you know in isosceles triangle these two angles are same, so we can say that this triangle TTM is an isosceles triangle. How we can say? Because A equals to B plus X, we have proved this now. So this is a isosceles triangle. ठीक है, so isosceles triangle का क्या property होता है कि two sides are having equal length, like this equals to this, right? So this we already know it's a 6, and this one it is also 6. So PT इक्वल्स टू PM इक्वल्स टू 6 चलेगा। ओके, सो एक और प्रॉपर्टी है हमारा यहाँ पे टेंजेंट सीकेंट थ्योरम। ओके, आई विल राइट इट, टेंजेंट सीकेंट थ्योरम। ओके, टेंजेंट सीकेंट थ्योरम में क्या होता है कि दिस वन इज द टेंजेंट। ओके, सपोज आई विल मेक अ डायग्राम हियर। ओके, इट इज T, इट इज P, इट इज A, इट इज M और B, सॉरी M and B। सो टेंजेंट सीकेंट थ्योरम क्या होता है, इट इज PT स्क्वायर, ये स्क्वायर टेंजेंट का स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू PA इंटू PB, फाइन, PA इंटू होल। ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है, दिस यू नीड टू नो and this is very much important and this can be used to solve many problem of circle. This one and this property what I have mentioned, these are very much important. Okay, so from this thing we can write PT square equals to what, PB the whole and P and PA, fine। so PT equals to 6 था तो 36 हो गया ये। PB we know it was given, PB equals to 12, it was given the question, so PB equals to 12 है and PA we need to find out, so PA we can say it is 3, ठीक है। so this one became 3 and the whole PM was 6 due to the isosceles property, so it became 6 minus 3 equals to 3 centimeter। so yeah, so this one came and fine। so this was the theta question। so just remember two properties were main in this, very much useful। I'll repeat those for you। first one was this secant secant theorem, tangent secant theorem। in this PT the tangent square will be equal to PB into PA, fine। and the next theorem was this angle will be equal to Z, and what is that angle B? That is the angle made by the tangent, sorry just a moment, that is the angle made by the tangent and at the circle, and it will be equal to the angle in the same arc which is there, it will be equal to Z, fine। so two important theorem was there, and one more you know already know about isosceles triangle, so that one was there। so these two things were important in this question। let's move ahead and see the next question what is there for you। okay,